everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we'll be unboxing the Samsung MicroSDXC Evo Select with the SD card adapter. This is the 64 gigabyte version. You can also get this in 16, 128 versions. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this out. But before we do, let's take a look around the packaging. So here it is. Here is the packaging. This is the Samsung MicroSDXC Evo Select 64 gigabyte card. This comes in multiple storage capacities. Here's the microSD card itself, and it comes with the SD adapter for your microSD. There are the read speeds up to 100 megabyte per second, and the write speeds, which is up to 60 megabytes per second. This is a class 10 U3, and it's compatible with the 4K Ultra HD. Here's a closer look at the microSD card. And here at the bottom, it says faster speeds for high-resolution photos and 4K UHD videos. And now let's take a look on the back side of the packaging. The back side of the packaging says that this is an ideal choice for your smartphone, tablets, digital camera, and 4K UHD action cameras. This is a waterproof, magnet-proof, temperature-proof, and X-ray-proof SD card. This comes with a 10-year limited warranty from Samsung, and here are all the other things. Here's the model number and a barcode if you want to look this particular product online. You can get this card from Amazon. It comes with different versions from Amazon. And now let's cut this open. So I have my scissors out. And now let's go ahead and cut along with the dotted line. So cutting along with the dotted line. There we go. Let's put the scissors away. And now all we have to do is separate the cardboard away from the plastic. It's kind of like a sleeve design. All you have to do is tuck in your fingers and take out the two SD cards. Yeah, so here it is. So here's the Samsung Galaxy 64 Evo Select card along with the SD adapter. Made in China, designed by Samsung. And let's take the micro SD card out of its own plastic case. And here it is. So here's a closer look up of the Samsung 64 gigabyte Evo Select U3 class 10. And now what we are going to do is I'm going to install this on my Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 10.4 2020 release. All I have to do is use a micro SD ejection tool that came with your tablet to pull a tray out. So this is ideal for tablets that I'm using it for, but you can also use this in your Android phones and also your cameras and GoPros. So here's a closer look. If you're using it for your tablet to expand your storage, make sure it's inside the frame and make sure it's flush with the frame, as you can see there. So I had to take out the micro SD card tray out to be sure that is flush with the frame, and here's what is holding it. And for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 tablet, it's a great device, and I really recommend it. And let's go ahead and insert this back in to the slot. And make sure you are gentle with this, since I really don't trust the build quality of the micro SD tray. So make sure it is secured. So once it is secured, we're going to check the storage capacity. And this is how you would check the storage capacity. Swipe down, access your settings app. Once you are inside your settings app, scroll down to your device care. Then up next is go to your storage and go to your SD card, and it will tell you how many gigabytes are available. So we have 59.6 gigabytes available out of 64. So you would lose about 5 gigabytes. So that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I will see you on the next one.